Hey, Alex. Good morning.
Good morning, Sora. Wow, you look full of energy today. Did you drink 5 cups of coffee?
No, only 4. I'm trying to cut down.
Only 4? I think the coffee shop should just give you a VIP card.
They did. It says, our most loyal customer. Please don't leave us.
That sounds about right. Anyway, how's your morning going?
Pretty good, but the bus was so crowded today. I felt like a sardine in a can.
Oh no, the sardine experience. Very popular in big cities.
I know, right? Sometimes I think walking might be faster.
Or maybe flying. You know, sprout wings and go to class.
If only. But hey, talking about the bus made me think, why don't we talk about transportation today? It's actually a fun topic.
Yeah, transportation is something everyone deals with. Plus, we're university students, so we know the pain.
Exactly. And it'll be great for our listeners too, especially English beginners.
Then let's do it. Welcome back, everyone, to another conversation on Ready Talk.
Yay! Okay, let's talk about transportation.
So, Sora, what's your favorite form of transportation?
I think my favorite is the train.
The train? Why?
Trains are fast, comfortable, and you can look out the window. The scenery's nice, and they usually arrive on time. Buses sometimes don't.
True, buses like to play hide and seek. Sometimes they show up, sometimes they disappear.
Yes. One time I waited for a bus for 40 minutes. 40! I could have walked to the moon.
You can't walk to the moon.
Well, I could start walking. It's the effort that counts.
Sure. So trains are your favorite. Mine is bicycles.
Bicycles? Really?
Yep, they're cheap, healthy, and eco-friendly. And you feel the wind when you ride.
That's true. But doesn't it get tiring?
Only when going uphill. Then I feel like my soul leaves my body.
Same. I try riding a bike sometimes, but after a while my legs say, stop this or we quit.
But bicycles are great for short distances.
Yeah, and you never get stuck in traffic, unless you find a group of ducks crossing the road.
Actually, that happened to me once.
Seriously?
Yes, and the ducks were not in a hurry. They were like, quack, we own this road.
Cute. Okay, so trains and bicycles. Good start. So how do you usually go to university?
I take the bus most of the time. It's cheap, which is very important for my wallet.
Same. Student life equals saving money.
Exactly. But the bus is unpredictable. Sometimes too slow, sometimes too fast, sometimes too full.
And sometimes the driver seems like he's training for a race.
Yes, one time I almost flew out of my seat.
Same. I thought I should wear a seatbelt, but there wasn't one.
If buses had seatbelts, that would save a lot of drama.
But there's something I like about buses.
What's that?
You can people watch. It's like a free show.
True. Sometimes I see people sleeping in the funniest positions.
Or people singing softly with their earphones on.
Or loudly.
Very loudly.
And the best thing, you don't have to drive.
Yes, that's great for me because I'm scared of driving.
Really? Why?
I'm afraid I might hit a tree or a lamppost or nothing at all, just crash from stress.
You should practice slow. Maybe start by driving in an empty parking lot.
I tried. I hit a shopping cart.
Oh no.
It wasn't my fault. The shopping cart moved.
It moved? By itself?
Yes, the wind pushed it.
Uh-huh. Are you sure it was the wind?
Yes, maybe.
So do you prefer cars or public transportation?
Public transportation, definitely. It's cheaper and better for the environment.
True, but cars give freedom. You can go anywhere, anytime.
Yes, but you also have to find parking. That's like playing a difficult video game.
Oh yeah, parking is a nightmare, especially in crowded cities.
And gas is expensive.
Very expensive. Sometimes I think cars drink too much.
Yeah, like cars say, give me more fuel, and the wallet cries.
Poor wallet.
But cars are great for road trips.
True, road trips with friends are the best.
Music, snacks, long talks, perfect combination.
And stopping at random places along the way.
Yes, I love that. You can't do that on a bus or train.
Imagine telling the bus driver, hey, can we stop for ice cream?
He'd say, no, sit down. You know, transportation is different in different countries.
Very true. For example, in Japan, the trains are super punctual.
Yes, if the train is late by 1 minute, people apologize.
And in Vietnam, motorbikes are everywhere.
Everywhere. The street looks like a river of motorbikes.
And in the Netherlands, bicycles are the kings.
Yes, so many bikes. I think even babies know how to ride bikes there.
Probably.
What about the US?
Lots of cars, big highways, big cars, sometimes bigger than my apartment.
True. And in England, the double-decker buses.
Those are so cool.
I love sitting on the top floor. You feel like a queen.
And in Thailand, tuk-tuks.
Yes, they look fun.
They are, but they can be very fast.
Like a roller coaster?
A small roller coaster with 3 wheels.
Sounds exciting and terrifying. What kind of transportation do you think we will have in the future?
Maybe flying cars.
That would be awesome. But imagine traffic jams in the sky.
Oh no. Attention, please. Your flying car is stuck behind a bird.
Or robot taxis.
Yes, you get in and a robot says, "Good evening, please fasten your seatbelt."
And then it takes you where you want to go while you relax.
That would be amazing. Or maybe teleportation.
Teleportation? Like 1 second you're here, next second you're on the beach.
Exactly. Instant vacation. I love that.
But if teleportation had long lines, that would be funny.
Please wait. Estimated wait time, 3 hours.
No.
The future will be interesting for sure.
You know what? People forget the simplest transportation.
Walking?
Yes, it's healthy, relaxing, and free.
That's true. And you can enjoy nature.
And think about life and find cats on the street.
You and cats.
Cats are important.
I agree, but walking is also slow.
Yes, but sometimes slow is good.
True, especially when you don't want to go somewhere, like going to a hard class.
Yes, then I walk very, very slowly, like a turtle.
A turtle who doesn't want to do homework.
Exactly.
So what do you think makes good transportation?
For me, it should be safe, clean, and on time.
Yes, that's important.
And the seats should be comfortable.
And not too crowded.
Yes, I don't want to feel like a pancake.
And the driver should be nice.
And not pretend they're racing cars.
Exactly.
Also, good signs. Clear signs are very important.
Yes, I once got lost in a station because the signs were confusing.
Same. I walked in circles like a hamster.
Maybe the station was actually a maze.
That explains everything.
If you could choose any dream transportation, what would it be?
Easy. A magic carpet.
Like in the movies?
Yes, you just sit, relax, and fly anywhere.
Sounds amazing.
What about you?
A personal high-speed train.
That's not a dream. That's a billionaire thing.
Exactly. That's why it's a dream.
True. Well, Alex, this was a fun conversation. Transportation is actually more interesting than I expected.
I agree. And we laughed a lot, especially about your shopping cart story.
Hey, don't remind me.
Sorry. But I hope our listeners enjoyed it too.
Yes, thank you everyone for listening and practicing English with us today.
We hope you learned some useful words and phrases about transportation.
And we hope you had some fun too.
If you enjoyed this conversation,
Please support our channel, Ready Talk.
don't forget to like, follow, and share.
And join us next time for more fun English conversations. Okay, Alex, time to go. How will you get home?
Maybe I'll teleport.
Good luck with that.
Thanks. See you, Alex.
See you, Alex, and goodbye, everyone.